Hello, welcome to SK Gyan. I am Satyendra. Now I am going to teach a new topic on Indus Valley Civilization. The name Indus Valley Civilization was constituted by the combination of three words: Indus Valley Civilization. Indus means Indu Nadi. Valley means the river flows through the two mountains, and the civilization. Civilization means a society which has its own highly developed culture and a way of life. The Indus Valley Civilization was first discovered by Sir John Howard Marshall in 1921. The Harappan ruins were discovered by Marshall, Rai Bahadur, Dayaram Sahri and Madhu Sarup Vats. Mohenjo-daro ruins were discovered by R. D. Banerjee, E. J. H. Mackey, and Marshall. What is Indus Valley Civilization? Indus Valley Civilization was one of the ancient and the most advanced civilization compared to all other civilization. It was flourished between the period of 2700 BC to 1900 BC. It is also known as Harappa civilization. These were the area covered the Indus Valley civilization. They were Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Alamgiripur, Northern Maharashtra, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Jammu, and Lothal. Some of the major sites of Indus Valley civilization. They are divided into two categories: India region and the Pakistan region. In India region, Kalibangam Rajasthan, Lothal Gujarat, Dholavira Rangpur, Sukotra Gujarat, Banawali Haryana, Ropar Punjab. In the Pakistan region, Harappa on River Ravi, Mohenjo-daro on Indus River in Sindh, Chanhu-daro in Sindh. In Pakistan region, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are two Indian Indus Valley civilization. Mohenjo-daro is the first largest site of Indus Valley civilization, and the second largest site was Harappa. In India, Rakhigadi is the largest site of Indus Valley civilization in Haryana. Now the next topic: why Indus Valley civilization was most advanced. The certain factors are: the Indus Valley cities were so developed or the advancement that never seen in other contemporary civilization. Most cities were built with similar patterns into two parts, citadel and the lower town. In this civilization, they were built their houses using burnt bricks. A well-developed channel for water drainage system, excellent storm water and wastewater management system. The civilization was so advanced in making artworks. A dancing girl statue was found during the excavation. Some of the archaeologists believed that a dancing girl statue has been found from Mohenjo-daro and is around 4000 years old. A figure of bearded priest king was also found from Mohenjo-daro. Most cities had a great bath. A large number of seals have been discovered. It were the first civilization who cultivate cotton. Agriculture was the main occupation. Some of the major points were they cultivated crops like wheat, barley, cotton, ragi, dates, peas, rice, mustard. They domesticated the animals like sheep, goat, pigs, cows, buffaloes, camels, tortoise, and cats. At that time, the minerals found were copper, bronze, tin, lead, gold, silver. Now the topic is commerce. A trade market was established there for business. Trade was conducted with the Sumerians. Use of coin made of copper and bronze were seen. Use of jewelry products were seen, such as beads, bangles, earrings, and vessels. Now the religion. People worshipped male and female deities. Male deities were Lord Shiva and the female deities was Mother Ganesha. At that time, no temples were built. Now the last topic is causes of the decline. Why the Indus Valley civilization is declined. Some of the archaeologists were different suggestions. Mortimer Wheeler. Mortimer Wheeler gives a statement that Aryan invasion led to the decline of Indus Valley civilization. The tectonic movements and floods were the main reason that declined the Indus Valley civilization. Change of river course was reason to the decline of Indus Valley civilization. And the several factors were the reason to decline of Indus Valley civilization.